This video will show you how to clean and maintain your Smeg built-in coffee machine. Due to the nature of grinding, brewing and making coffee, there are several parts of this machine that must be cleaned regularly. These include the appliance internal circuit, the coffee grounds container, the drip tray, the water tank, the coffee spouts, the pre-ground coffee funnel, infuser or brew unit, the milk container and the hot water and steam connection nozzle. If the appliance isn't used for more than 3 to 4 days, before using it again, we strongly recommend switching it on and cleaning the internal water circuit. This can be done by performing 2 to 3 rinse cycles by selecting the rinse function found in the settings menu. After a few seconds, hot water comes out of the coffee spout, which cleans and heats the internal circuit of the appliance. The following message will be shown in the display, rinsing hot water running, as well as a progress bar which fills up as the preparation progresses. To stop the rinsing cycle, press stop or wait for the rinsing to stop automatically. After running the rinse function, it's normal for the grounds container to contain water. The other circuit to rinse is the hot water spout. Make sure that the hot water steam spout is attached correctly to the hot water steam connection nozzle. Place a container under the spout as close as possible to avoid splashes, and then select the hot water from the home page. The hot water image appears on the display, together with a progress bar which will fill gradually as the preparation proceeds. The machine delivers hot water, then delivery stops automatically. To interrupt the hot water delivery manually, press stop. If energy saving mode has been selected, then the hot water may take a few seconds to start dispensing. The water jug should also be cleaned. Remove on a monthly basis and wash with warm soapy water. After use, the coffee grounds container should be emptied. To remind you, the empty grounds container message is automatically displayed 72 hours after the first coffee has been prepared. The machine will also prompt when the container is full and needs to be emptied. In either case, if this message appears, it's not possible to make further coffees without emptying. Open the main door. Open the bottom door by rotating it downwards. Remove the drip tray, empty and clean using warm soapy water. Carefully empty and clean the grounds coffee container, taking care to remove all of the residue left in the base. The brush provided features a spatula especially for this job. The coffee infuser or brew unit should be cleaned at least once a month. Firstly, make sure the machine is correctly turned off. Open the main door, remove the drip tray and waste coffee container. Press the 2 coloured release buttons inwards and at the same time pull the infuser outwards. Soak the infuser in water for about 5 minutes, then rinse. Do not use washing up liquid. After cleaning, replace the infuser by sliding it into the internal support and pin at the bottom. Then push the push symbol fully until it clicks into place. Once inserted, make sure the 2 coloured release buttons have snapped out. Replace the drip tray and waste coffee container and close the service door. The coffee spout should also be cleaned with a sponge or a damp cloth. It's important to check that the holes in the coffee spouts are not blocked. If necessary, remove coffee deposits with a cocktail stick. Although the milk frother automatically prompts for a rinse during use, this must also be cleaned thoroughly. Start by lifting and removing the lid. Remove the milk container from the thermal casing by holding it by the 2 side grips. The thermal casing must not be filled or immersed in water. Instead, clean it and wipe it with a damp cloth. Remove the milk spout and intake tube, and then turn the froth adjustment dial clockwise to the insert position and pull out. Wash all the components of the frother thoroughly with hot water and mild washing up liquid. All components and the container are dishwasher safe. Place them in the top basket of the dishwasher. Pay particular attention to check in the hollow and groove under the dial that no milk residues remain. Scrape any residue from the groove with a cocktail stick. Replace the dial, lining up the arrow with the word insert. Replace the spout and milk intake tube. Place the milk container in the thermal casing and finally replace the lid. To complete the milk circuit cleaning, wipe over the milk frother connection nozzles with a soft damp cloth. The final stage of maintaining the built-in coffee machine is to carry out a descaling program. The machine will prompt you when to do this. For more information and guidance, check out the videos on setting the water hardness and descaling the coffee machine. If you found this useful, please like the video, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.